Changing your phone number on Yahoo Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account info. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Account Security. In the Account Info section, look for the Account Security option on the left sidebar. Click on it to view your security settings. Step 4. Update phone number. Under the Account Security section, find the Recovery Phone Number option. Click on it and you will see your current phone number. Choose the option to edit or change the number, then enter your new phone number. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new phone number, Yahoo will send a verification code to that number. Check your phone for the code, enter it in the provided field, and confirm the change. After completing these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Yahoo Mail account. Make sure to keep your contact information current to ensure account security and recovery options.